Hey everybody, good morning. We are coming back at you with a new video this week. So this week we've got, what is it?
Goodguys Car Show.
Goodguys Car Show. Des Moines, Iowa Goodguys Road Tour coming here to Don's Hot Rod. Des Moines Goodguys, right? I said that right?
It's a road tour from Des Moines, Iowa to Columbus.
Des Moines, Iowa. And then they're going to be going to Low Man Rods, and we're going to be hosting sort of a joint fun luncheon with probably 35, 40 hot rods. So it's not coming from a Goodguys show.
It is coming from Goodguys Show.
It is. They were at a Goodguys show.
Yes, last weekend in Des Moines, Iowa.
And then they're coming here.
Yes, to Columbus.
And our girls will be coming over, and the whole team, whole Opposing Cylinders team will be there. We're gonna have a blast. So did they stop anywhere before they got here?
Yes, each day. They left Monday.
A lot of stops.
Yeah.
And then those guys will go off to probably get some rest, and then going to Goodguys in Columbus, which we will be there. We hope we see you there. Like, how long are they going? Like, how many days?
They get to Columbus tomorrow.
But when did they leave?
Monday.
So they left Monday. Today's Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
Tour. Hope you enjoy the video today. Let's get to it.
Found this, and of course he knows these people in Lomas. He lives around here, so thanks, Kevin. The man of the hour is our good friend. I'm a good friend. We appreciate you opening this up. I guess your claim to fame is what? You got 3 Riddler Awards? Anyway, we really appreciate the hospitality and some snacks. And we open your place up to look at your cool stuff. So thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
I appreciate y'all coming, and I know I won't get to meet y'all individually, but I'm pleased to have you here. Really pleased. Welcome anytime.
Nice. I'll leave it in my GPS.
All right.
Come by here.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
You're very welcome. Thanks for coming.
Hey, we got a few minutes before everybody shows up, so we're going to show you Don's amazing collection. I know we've showed it on some video before, but usually it's during an open house and there's hundreds of people in here. Kevin and I are going to take you on a little tour, and I'm going to use my knowledge of all the stuff that Don has to show you what he's got. Number one, he's got this blue car.
Share your knowledge, Kyle.
Yeah, if you could show this.
What year is it?
This is probably between a 1920 and a 1990 car.
Ah,
Like somewhere in that.
very accurate.
Yes. It's got really cool mags on it, I would call them. They're not American racing, I don't think. This one right here has blue interior with the blue steering wheel. I think we call this a Nomad. But what's really hot is this. This is Don's personal hot rod, and I love the color. And
I hope you all are still tuned in at this point watching Kyle give his knowledge.
so this is what we like to call a blue. Cool car. And then we've got some stuff on the wall here. Incredible Chevy sign. I don't know if you can see that.
So the car that we started in front of over here is actually for sale. Can you show that?
Yeah.
And
So
where is that listed at,
that's
Kyle?
listed at opposingcylinders.com. This is a great car, and it is for sale.
So can I join in here?
Yeah, I've got this. This has nitrous. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna have Kevin describe what this is.
So this car was actually built for John Diana, who was in charge of a lot of the magazine stuff. It was commissioned for John Diana, and it attended SEMA show back in the day. So it has a lot of history. It was a complete SEMA build. The car has a fortune in it. It does have the scissor doors like the Lamborghini doors. It is all nitrous. It has tons of body modifications. The full description is on opposingcylinders.com. The price was just reduced. This is a one-off build. This is not a body kit that you go and buy. So check it out, opposingcylinders.com. Reduced price, for sale. And again, it was a SEMA build commissioned by John Diana, for those of you that know who John Diana is. So he had passed away before the car was completely finished. So we do have a few more things in here for sale as well.
Well,
Let's go. So we do have a Harley Davidson motorcycle. This is on opposingcylinders.com as well. So all of Don's stuff is always highly detailed. So this Harley Davidson is for sale. You'll see that on opposingcylinders.com. It's a Harley. I'm not going to go into too much. We do have the Whizzer bike. So fully restored, very rare. Everything is tagged. Don appraises everything. So this actually works. So you need to check this out on opposingcylinders.com as well. Let's go over to Honda Dreams. And we do have more for sale. So we have a red and white Honda Dream. Both of these are listed on opposingcylinders.com as well. So these do run. Everything works. There's videos on our Instagram page as well, at Opposing Cylinders. So you'll actually see these going up and down the road, all the turn signals, everything work. They are priced to sell. So we have two Honda Dreams, the Harley Davidson, and the Tiburon, all for sale on opposingcylinders.com.
a chance and didn't anticipate a hurricane. When we left Western PA last Tuesday, we had a chance. We figured we'd get some sort of rain, but last 3 days have been crazy.
Yeah. And you don't have a top for it, right?
It's at home.
It's at home.
It's at home. Yeah, we wanted to ride topless.
Yeah.
Go out to Des Moines and take this cruise, and so it's a little on the wet side. Today was a little cooler.
Well, tell me about your car.
It's 32 Ford, Kilborn body. I've had it since 2010. Got 61,000 miles on it. 350 engine, 350 transmission, 308 gears, and we just go in it.
Awesome. Well, we love to see you driving them.
Thank you.
So the benefits of being on tour, and you stop at a low man rod shop, right? Even if something breaks down, you get it fixed. So this gentleman in this Roadster, Kyle, you saw earlier video with this, but he drove it from Pennsylvania, Western PA, all the way out to Des Moines, Iowa. They thought that the weather looked really good, but at that point, the hurricane was not on the map. The hurricane weather started coming in, so on the way back from Des Moines to Columbus here, he's hit weather, and we got Nick underneath the car here as well. He's fixing, I think, a master cylinder, but thanks to Low Man Rods, thanks to this gentleman as well for driving his Roadster from Pennsylvania to Des Moines, back to Columbus, road warrior. He's our #1 hero today on the video, and thanks to Nick for getting it all fixed up.
Yeah.
Good job, Nick, as always.
I try.
Care of one of our own there with the master cylinder. We appreciate that. So, hey, let's just give these guys a nice round of applause. If you want to say anything, go ahead. The floor is yours.
I'll say something real quick because I'm a talker. We appreciate everyone. Obviously, this is Mac Niselander. It's Low Man Rods. This is his shop. I have nothing to do with Low Man Rods except that he builds cars for me as well. So he's built 3 cars for me, and then he's working on my bare metal 5-window coupe. So I appreciate Mac as a friend and as a builder as well. But thank you to our opposing cylinders team, everyone coming up. We had and Mac's employees helping to serve food, set everything up. But thank you most importantly for all of you that made the drive here. So we greatly appreciate that. And this is my friend for 15 years. And I'm going to turn to you.
I don't have much more to say.
And a few words. I appreciate that, too.
Always let him do the talking.
There you go. We're pretty good at it.
But he'll be set up in Columbus as well. He won't have tools up there if you break down. But he is in the vendor's area, outside the vendor's area with his big trailer. And,
I'm over by the Summit trailer. So you see the Summit trailer, I'm right beside it.
Very good.
But if anyone ever needs to sell their cars, you do see flyers. We do list cars for people all across the country. So you'll see opposingcylinders.com. We have business cards up here as well. So we sell cars literally all over the world. If you're looking to buy something, we have some of the top cars in the country for sale. Or if you're looking to sell something, visit our website, opposingcylinders.com, or subscribe to the YouTube channel. And you'll see all of yourselves on the next YouTube video.
There you go. So thank you guys. We appreciate it.
Thanks for watching today's video. We greatly appreciate everyone that came out from the tour from Goodguys Des Moines to Columbus. And thanks to Don Pilkington for opening up his shop to everyone this morning. Thanks to Low Man Rods here as well, where we're at now, for opening up their shop. And thanks to Dave Ruiz for just organizing the whole tour along the way. So give us a thumbs up if you like today's video, hit the subscribe button, and by all means, we say it every time, check out our website, opposingcylinders.com, where we have new listings each and every week. And Kyle and I will see you on the road in Columbus. That's where we're off to next.